I started working at C&M in 2002. I worked there as a security officer, so that way I could take classes. I really enjoyed the smaller class sizes. The smaller class sizes was a huge benefit. The motivation factor was just getting out there and starting to work already. That's what pushed me to get in there and come out and find a career. I didn't notice that I had a passion for welding until one day I told my wife, I said, I think I want to try to weld, and she said, well, go do it. I was already at C&M and they offered the classes, so I just did it. I really enjoyed the teachers, the staff that I worked with, and the staff that I went to school with. In the welding classes, we did a lot of pipe projects, different toolboxes, small projects. The blueprint classes really helped me out a lot over there, and obviously the hands-on welding and the countless hours that they allowed us to put in there really helped out over there. They transferred one for one. Everything that I learned there I use here on a daily basis, whether it's hand tools, obviously welding, blueprint reading, the math. There's a lot that pretty much day in and day out that I use. It took some getting used to, but I think I was prepared. C&M prepared me. It's real enjoyable to see your final product go out after working on it so hard, to finally see it out and paint it and finish. Teamwork it's a necessity. It's very difficult to do one thing, one person all the time. That's why even just for safety purposes, working as a team is huge. There's something else out there. You don't have to be in an office every day. You can be out here and make an honest living and get dirty at the same time and have kind of fun. Just do it. Just go do it. Have fun. This is my office.